Welcome to this short yet soothing breathwork practice. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat or begin lying on the ground. Close your eyes when you're ready. Try and find a neutral spine. From here, take 2 deep normal breaths. On the exhales, begin to relax. Find where you're holding some tension in the body, as well as using those exhales and inhales to pull yourself into the now. Or maybe just checking in with your body and your emotional or physical state. Last exhale now, and we'll begin. So today we're going to be doing cycles of 15 seconds, 7-second inhale, 3-second hold, 5-second exhale. So when you're ready, empty the lungs completely. And here we go. Inhale for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold for 2, 3, and exhale for 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. And exhale, let your body relax. 4, 5. In for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. And in. Hold. Out. Let all the tension release. Good. This time take a deep breath in, a little bit of a break. All the way in, fill the lungs. And exhale, sigh it out. Completely empty the lungs. Pause for a moment. Take 2 natural breaths and we'll begin again. Okay, here we go. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Out 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Out. In. Hold. And out. In. Hold. Out. And in. Hold. Last exhale before a break. 3, 4, 5. Good. Empty the lungs completely. Take 2 more natural breaths. Okay, one last round. Here we go. In for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Let all the stress melt away. In. Hold. And out. In. Hold. And out. Good. Last one. In. Hold. And out. Empty the lungs completely. From here, take 2 deep inhales and sigh the air all the way out. Release any extra tension, maybe adding a little bit of a wiggle in the shoulders. Beginning to open the eyes. And just an option before returning to your day to add 2 little upper body stretches. So interlacing the fingers and just swapping sides. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this breath work and you are feeling a lot more relaxed. I will see you next time.